Now, this is how you can get the green dot on Instagram. Let's get started. So before we do, make sure you are subscribed to Foxtecc as you don't want to miss videos like this one. So, of course, make sure you have the Instagram downloaded on your iPhone or iPad. It's pretty much the same thing, right? On the iPad, make sure you are updated to the latest version of Instagram. But once you get inside, make sure to go to your profile section. Then proceed to the settings by tapping on the three lines menu for more options, and you can see that the settings and activity is going to appear, right? But you can basically just utilize the search, which I use all the time. So you can just type in the show activity status right there, and you'll be able to get it to a toggle, which is like, a menu with just one toggle indicated with the show activity status title. And it basically means that this is the green dot that you can see for other people. And you will also share your activity status with other people. So obviously the green dot means that you are currently using the platform. And if you want to share it with other people, this is where you turn it on. But of course, if you want to see the activity status of other people, you also need to have it enabled for your own device. But this is where you can basically find it. As I say, it works exactly the same on the iPhone, iPad. It's just the same platform. So this is how you can find it. If you have any additional questions about this, go ahead and let me know below in the comments. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you later.